So this is the recap for live stream 287, I believe. And we can see here, lost 118. So we came into the market our usual time, 10 a.m. We did see the market rally a fair bit off the CPI news. So thought, just like yesterday, I would take a series of long trades in alignment with what the market was doing. And as you can expect, probably guess, these trades did not work out. So I took a long trade right here, stop was hit, took another long trade over here, and stop was hit again. Out of frustration, went short, was stopped out. Took a long trade, that happened to work out. That was it for a period as the market continued to grind to the upside. Later on, took a short, thought prices had consolidated enough, may return to the downside, coming in around the 300s. Prices rallied, stopped me out. We went 5 points higher before coming all the way down to hit the target. That was very frustrating. Through here, went long. Eventually the target was hit after price came down to this 125 SMA. More waiting took place. Eventually went short here. Price went in my favor. Came within 2 ticks of my target before turning around and hitting my stop. Went short here again. Price went all the way up 4 points above my stop before turning around and hitting my target. So again, another frustrating trade. Over here, decided to go long after seeing a series of higher lows. Thought prices may break out from this Bollinger and start to head to the upside through this area here. Prices, of course, consolidated. That was a big red flag there, the consolidation. Eventually went lower, was stopped out. More recently went long again, looking for price to go higher. Instead, prices have come to the downside. Over on the 5-minute chart, we can see here we had the CPI just here. Had a strong move off the open. Lost quite a fair bit through this chop as a point of control. Migrated to that area. Lost a fair bit here as well as a point of control move there. Lost through here as well. So it was, despite the fact that the market did head to the upside from the open low to the highs, looking at 373 points, I just simply could not get a hold of the market trading the 10-second chart. For whatever reason, I tried to trade with the trend, didn't work. Went against the trend, didn't work. Nothing seemed to work for me. So we'll have a look at the trade performance. Over on the trade performance here, we can see we at no point were we positive, drew down 24, and from there all we did was accumulate more losses to the downside. We can see prices just continued down 71 there. And finally, we're going to end the day down 118. Over on the summary page, we can see we lost on both long and short trades. Profit factor is negative, a really poor profit factor at 0.28. Accuracy was the most shocking thing of today. Accuracy 10%, which is really, really poor. I only won a 1 in 10 trade, so that's pretty bad. I had 9 losers to 1 winner. On the positive note, the average win was bigger than the average loss and had a positive win average loss ratio of 2.29. And again, on the positive side, the largest win was bigger than the largest loss. Time in the market being about 6 minutes, but the accuracy certainly was the most concerning thing of today. So back to the drawing board. More work to do, more things to think about. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.